Namaste, myself Dr. Divya Keshav, and today I welcome you to the practice sessions of Surya Namaskar with Acharya Keshav. We had earlier told that we will be starting from June 1st and this program goes on up to June 21st. And we are celebrating International Yoga Day by performing for 21 days Surya Namaskaras, reaching up to 48 rounds of Surya Namaskar by the 21st of June 2020. For this program, I wholeheartedly welcome all the healthy, all the fit people to join this program. Why I said was, for this program, we do not want to take any risk involving people who are already having physical, physiological or psychological complaints. But if such people are interested, are very eager to perform Surya Namaskar, we request them under the supervised guidance or consultation of an expert yoga consultant, let them perform. So this is about who needs to do or who needs to join to this program. Next, in this sequence, I would like also to add certain other instructions which will enable you to complement the benefits of whatever that you are practicing for a duration of 21 days. So that comes as dietary restrictions. So what to eat, when to eat. So for that, on that note, your heavy meal if you have taken, there should be a gap of 3 to 4 hours, and if you have taken a lighter meal or a snack, about 2 hours gap should be there to perform. If it is a liquid intake, we strongly recommend 45 minutes to 1 hour gap for performing the asana or the exercise program. So this is about the dietary part. Next instruction is about our clothing, what to wear and do. So I strongly recommend wearing a comfortable clothing which supports and complements both your stretch and sweat. That means your clothing material should enable you to stretch better. Also, when you sweat profusely, your sweat should not be an irritation due to the clothing material. So such kind of clothing material to be chosen. Comfortable, stretch and sweat, which should support both stretch and sweat. Next comes the time. When to do it? See, we have kept a time of around 4:30, but we strongly recommend if you can do Surya Namaskar practices or any kind of exercise mode during the sunrise and the sunset, your body will be supporting the circadian rhythm. Hence, ideal practice time is the sunrise and the sunset time. So this was about the time and where to do it. So the place, if you have seen our previous videos, we have shown you a hall which is well lit, well cleaned, well ventilated and totally undistracted, undisturbed atmosphere. That means to say, where you are practicing, that practice should enable you to focus better. It should not give you any kind of distraction, no disturbances, either mentally or physically. So such a place should be chosen. And second option is on what to do it. So there are many confusions. Should I do it on mat? Should I not do it on mat? It is up to you. Depending on your mat grip, depending on how comfortable you find yourself in doing n number of Surya Namaskar, which is in a repetitive mode, if your mat is supportive, well and fine. But if you find more comfortableness, more ease and less distraction towards your physical stability, we recommend you to do it on floor. So this is about the instruction of where to do and when to do it. And next comes ambience. So you got to know the place, that it should be undistracted, undisturbed, totally free, highly ventilated, well cleaned atmosphere. We should also support the feel factor. For that, the place that you have chosen to enhance the ambience, we would suggest play some nice music which is very soothing to your mind, which enables you to get involved and develop an inward journey as you are moving on with your yoga postures. which allows you to detach from the external world, which allows you to detach from your social identity and move towards your own inward self, exploring your own self. Such a kind of music that suits your mind, that suits your soul, should be played as your background score. And to also enhance this blissful ambience nature, we can also suggest you can put an aroma candle, or you can light a flora agarbatti, which is not a chemical agarbatti, it's an incense or floral incense sticks you can burn to feel that smell, which gives you a very sacred, a very divine, a blissful feeling as you perform your practices. I hope all these instructions are helping you, which makes your not just your body, but your breath, your mind and your soul to get involved. And the whole 21 days journey of your Surya Namaskar practices along with us turns out to be a transformative journey for you for a better self. Telling this, wishing you a very great start and wishing you a great transformation. I thank you and I also welcome you. So Acharya Keshav will be joining you shortly. And thanks for listening. Thank you so much.